Hi, Robot Man came to Miandetta Primary School. He came for 4 days and taught from kinder to grade 6. The feedback we've got from the children is amazing and from the teachers, very impressed, and we'd love to book him again next year.
Robot Man came to Miandetta Primary and my robot was called Rick. We did these coding with them and we got these mats. I hope Robot Man will come soon again.
On Tuesday, Robot Man came to our classroom and we played with the dash. And at first we started off with some of the block coding, which was really fun. And after a while we went on to doing some of the remote control stuff. And we took that in turns with our partners. And then we got to have a game of soccer, which we would take in turns with our partners, and we learned how to change the ears red, and we learned a lot about coding, and I really liked it.